Hey everyone, Zach here from New Fidelity in Balmain, Sydney, Australia. Yes, that is a play bar that we've got here and we're going to be unboxing it. So this is the first time we've seen it. Just come in the door literally, so let's get it out of the box. And there we have it, the Sonos PLAYBAR. So what do you actually get inside the box with the Sonos PLAYBAR? We've got a manual for setup options, power cable of course, you need that one, and just an optical cable. This is to connect the PLAYBAR to your TV. Very easy to set up. They give you an Ethernet cable, you might not need that. But yeah, as I'm saying, very easy to set up. We'll go through it a bit later in an additional video, but check out the links below. It's also on our online store. That's enough and we'll talk to you soon. Cheers.